Hello everyone. Welcome to Laboratory Medicine. Here you can see the images of yeast cells in stool, which is commonly caused by the infection in gastrointestinal tract. They are eukaryotic, single-celled microorganisms consisting of single oval cells that reproduces by budding. Yeast cells are normally found in small numbers in the digestive system, but an overgrowth of these organisms can lead to an infection. A weak immune system, the use of antibiotics or other treatments that upset the normal balance of gut microbes, or underlying medical disorders like diabetes can all contribute to yeast infections in the gastrointestinal tract.
It's worth noting that the presence of yeast cells in stool does not always indicate an infection. In some cases, it may simply be a normal part of the digestive process. If you're concerned about the presence of yeast cells in your stool or experiencing symptoms, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share for more lab medicine videos.